Okay, I'm making progress here, getting all of those old stickers off of the cabinets, getting them all cleaned up, ready to go. It's amazing, I couldn't even see them before and now they're all come off. So that's good, so I'll give them another, I'll give that a light sand before I do the next step. I will be coming in here with TSP next. This is the eco-friendly product of TSP, so it's TSP Eco. It's a fantastic product. It is heavy duty, but it just does not have the same harmful side effects. You can get this at Benjamin Moore. It's an excellent product. So I'm gonna, because I'm in such a small enclosed space here, I want to use products that are strong but are also not harmful to me, especially in a small space. So we're going to be putting this on next, coming up next. So you take this product and you literally just spray it on. You can buy it as a like crystals in a solution, but you literally just spray it on. And then this one, you just wipe it. You do not have to take the residue off. What I noticed right away is though, even though I've already been over this with soapy water, I can feel a resistance because it's a degreaser, especially on that fiberglass. I can feel it. And then after I've done it, it's nice and smooth. So it just takes off every last little bit of residue on the whole. I'm going to be doing everything. I'll be doing the entire camper right on the fiberglass and then also on the wood, just to get it really like every single last bit of dirt off of this 50-year-old dirt. And you can see I already cleaned it, but it's still bringing up dirt. So I'll be getting into every nook and cranny on the ceiling and all around the entire roof until it's all clean. And then the next step will be filling holes, because there's a lot of them, a lot of holes to fill.